Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef bone stock. First, gather your ingredients, including about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, along with some carrots, celery, and onions. Next, roast your bones in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until they are nicely browned. This step is crucial for developing a rich, deep flavor in your stock. Once your bones are roasted, transfer them to a large stock pot. Cover them completely with cold water, then add your chopped vegetables, a bay leaf, and a few whole peppercorns. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, but do not boil. Let it cook slowly for a minimum of 8 hours, or even up to 24 hours for maximum flavor extraction. Remember to skim off any foam that rises to the surface. After simmering, carefully strain your stock through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with cheesecloth, to remove all solids. Discard the bones and vegetables. Now, it's vital to cool the stock quickly to prevent bacterial growth. You can do this by placing the pot in an ice bath. Once completely chilled, transfer it to containers. Any fat that solidifies on top can be easily removed before use. Your homemade beef bone stock is now ready to elevate your cooking. Use it as a flavorful base for hearty soups, comforting stews, or rich sauces. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in convenient 1-cup or 2-cup portions for longer storage, lasting several months. This ensures you always have a healthy, delicious foundation for countless meals. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.